I'm back. Yo, y'all know I haven't made a video in over a year. Well, like a good video in over a year, but I'm back. So today I did my go-to makeup routine for all the girls that have been asking, who does my makeup? Where do I get my makeup? I do my own makeup. All right. I don't really like other people doing my makeup. It's just like, I don't know, a weird thing for me. I'm very fidgety. So I just taught myself how to do my own makeup. So yeah, this is the look that I did. I did my eyebrows, put a little bit of eyeshadow on because that's usually what I put on. And yeah, so stay tuned and keep watching.
Okay, so we're gonna start off with clean, clear skin. I always make sure to go through and re-wipe my face with a makeup wipe, and I always start off with my eyebrows. So I'll just take my little spoolie brush and brush them all out, make sure they're in place. I do not get my eyebrows done. I usually just shave them with the little eyebrow like razors. And yeah, so I use pomade. I don't use like pencils or anything. Pomade is my favorite product for my eyebrows. I don't really like eyebrow pens or pencils or anything like that. I always use a pomade. Cheap, expensive, does not matter to me. So pomade, definitely the way to go, and a good angled brush. Now, in regards to my eyebrows, I always start with my tail, fill it in, work my way towards the front, and I like very, very lightly brush the front so that it's not that like crazy looking box. But yeah, I do like very basic filling in of my natural shape on my eyebrows. It usually comes out looking like this, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, as y'all can see, and then I'll take that spoolie again and completely brush out the front so I know it doesn't have any harsh lines. After that, it's a given. I just conceal under my eyebrows, make sure they're neat and they're looking right and bright and everything. There's no little hairs, little stragglies, you know? I don't know why this is something I do, but I put it down my nose like you just saw the bridge of my nose. I love my nose contour, so I just start contouring my nose like from the beginning of my makeup just to make sure that space is correct in between my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna let y'all watch, but I just conceal the rest of my eyebrows and I just do like the very top of my arch. Oh my gosh, I keep messing up what I'm trying to say, and I'm not redoing this again, but I keep messing up, y'all. I do the top of my arch and I like skip over that little space you're gonna see. I just like lightly, quickly pass by it to fill it in. I don't know, I just don't like having like a straight harsh line on the top. Once all that's done on both sides, I just go around the entire perimeter and blend it all out so that I can take my beauty blender, my little sponge, which you'll see, and just completely rub everything in, make sure it's all even and there's no harsh lines. My final step is taking that spoolie again and lightly brushing those front hairs so that I know it's not that little line in the front. I have very horrible under eye circles, so I do 2 rounds of concealing my eyes. So this is round 1. I have no foundation on yet. This is what I do after I prime my face. I forgot to film me putting on my primer, but yes, I underline my eyes and I make sure to go right in that corner, outer corner of my eye like you just saw, because it just brings my eyes up. Then I just go ahead, do my little stash. So I don't really have a stash. I just like the way it makes my face come in. So I do my upper lip and my chin, And that's it for the pre-concealing. Blend, blend, blend. We're gonna blend all that out with that sponge and make sure everything's looking right. And after this step, I go in with my foundation and start to blend that out as well. What you will see, I take the regular little foundation brush first and just get the product everywhere. And matte ghetto, I'm completely out of this foundation, so I've been having to screw it off and just smear it, smooth it onto my face. But after I do that, I take the brush, smooth it out some more, and then take the sponge and completely smooth out the look. Once you get everything blended out to your liking, I go in and do the second round of concealing my eyes, and I take my Pro Concealer now. My cat is freaking crying nonstop, so if you hear him, there is nothing wrong with him. He's just being a brat. But yes, I take my Pro Concealer and I go right under my eyes, lightly go over that stash area again. Basically all the areas I concealed the first time. And I just reconceal them. And if you saw on my other eye, once I have the bottom completely blended out, I touch on my top lid so that it just all looks even. It's just one even eye color. And after this, I'm gonna take my powder and just set my concealer under my eyes. I don't bake, like I don't keep it on for more than 2 minutes tops. Like I put it on, brush it off. And it's contour time, so I always contour my little cheekbones, my nose. I'll use the brush straight on to do my cheekbones and the sides of my face. I'll go around my whole forehead with this. I usually do my forehead after I do my edges because I put my scarf on and it messes it up. But I'll take the side of the brush. I don't want to use it straight on. I literally hold it to the side like you saw and go down the sides of my nose to do my nose contour. I love the whole light bulb trend everybody's been doing, so I just usually wipe right down my chin and I use my fluffy brush to make sure my nose line is not super harsh and it's looking right. So once the face is all said and done, I work on my eyes, and I'm gonna take my little palette with the little brown in the corner, and I literally just do my eyelids. Like, I sped this up, and I know somebody could comment and be like, girl, I need to see what you're doing. I'm really not doing anything. I'm literally just dabbing it on my eyelid area to the darkness and intensity that I want. That's it. After that, I'm gonna take my eyeliner, just do a basic black line to make sure my lashes are easy to blend and I can just place them and not have to deal with any spacings or anything. It just makes it more seamless when you put your lashes on. Now, since I do use my beauty blender and do my top lid, my eyelashes turn brown, so I just go over them with some mascara real fast. I'm gonna hit my face with my highlighter and my fan brush. This is the highlighter I use that everybody asks me if it's Fenty. It is not. It is a regular gold highlighter from the beauty supply store. I'm gonna apply that all over, and I like looking like a glazed donut, so I cake it on, not gonna lie. But sometimes it gets a little crazy, so I'll just take a fluffy brush and I'll blend it out, and you'll see me do that. And after that, I'm pretty sure I just put my lashes on. Now, in regards to my lashes, I just like what I like. I usually get wispy looking ones. I use the regular glue, put it on there, shake it around, wait 10 seconds, and I just apply my lashes by hand, by myself. If I absolutely need the help, I will use tweezers, but I usually don't at this point. I just line it up in the middle and then work on whichever corner makes sense. So yeah, I just taught myself how to get them on and just play with it until voila, they're on. Now you just want to take your favorite setting spray. I spray to the side first so I know it's not going to come out crazy, and I just hit my face a few times. I went and did my edges, and boom, here's how it's looking. Here's a view from my back camera. I just took a slow little go around. But yes, these are the final products. Let me know how y'all like it.
So yes, this is the final look. That's how it comes out. Very natural, cute. A lot of people ask me if I'm wearing Fenty. No, regular beauty supply store makeup. I don't buy anything like too crazy, too expensive. I don't know what to do. Like, I don't know what y'all want to see. I need y'all to drop me some comments and tell me what y'all want from me and what y'all want to see in the future, because I need to get back into my YouTube world. So I'm back better than ever, and yeah, like, subscribe, comment, share, all that crazy stuff. Y'all already know. Bye guys.